Before you decide to buy Intellectia, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. In this video, I'll walk you through the ins and outs of this platform, why it stands out from its competitors, and if it's actually worth your time and investment. Stick around till the end because I'll also share where you can get the best deal and some exclusive perks. So, let's dive into it. First thing, let's talk about ease of use. One of the standout features of Intellectia is its intuitive interface. Unlike some of the competitors, which can feel cluttered or overwhelming, Intellectia is designed to be incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with similar software, you'll find it easy to navigate and get started right away. I've personally used the platform, and within minutes, I was up and running without any major hiccups, which is a big plus. Next thing, let's address the pricing. Intellectia offers competitive pricing, especially when you compare it to alternatives like Monday.com or Asana, which can get pricey as you scale up your team. With Intellectia, you can access a lot of features at a much lower cost, making it a solid choice for small to mid-sized businesses that want efficiency without the sky-high price tag. Plus, if you click the first link in the description below, you can try it completely free, so you're not locked into any commitment until you've truly tested it out. The third thing to consider is its customization options. One thing that sets Intellectia apart from other software like Trello or ClickUp is the level of customization it allows. You can tailor the platform to your specific needs, whether it's adjusting the workflows or setting up custom notifications. This kind of flexibility is a game changer for teams that require a highly adaptable solution. I've seen other tools struggle here, but Intellectia really nails the balance between being customizable without being too complex. Now, the fourth thing is collaboration. In today's world, effective collaboration tools are non-negotiable, and Intellectia understands that. Whether you're working with a small team or a large enterprise, this software makes it easy to share files, communicate directly within the platform, and keep track of progress. The real-time updates and notifications ensure you're always in the loop, which isn't always the case with some competitors that leave you hunting for updates. Moving on to the fifth thing, integrations. Intellectia has a strong selection of integrations with other software like Google Drive, Slack, and even QuickBooks. This is crucial if you're already using other tools in your workflow. While some alternatives may have a limited selection or make it harder to connect to other apps, Intellectia offers a smooth experience with these integrations. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're managing multiple projects at once. The sixth thing to know is the customer support. If you've ever tried to get support from big software companies, you know it can sometimes feel like you're talking to a brick wall. With Intellectia, you get fast and reliable customer support. They're available via chat, email, and even phone, which means you won't be left hanging if you run into any issues. Compared to others, their response time and helpfulness stand out as a key advantage. Lastly, let's talk about security. Your data is vital, and Intellectia knows that. They implement strong security measures like encryption and multi-factor authentication, which ensure that your information is protected. If you're comparing this to some competitors who have faced data breaches in the past, you'll find that Intellectia takes security seriously. So, if you're thinking about trying out Intellectia, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see if it's the right fit for you or your team. Trust me, once you experience how simple and powerful this platform is, you'll see why it's a top choice for businesses of all sizes.